So guys, hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we are going to solve very interesting problem which was asked in Google SD3 interview, okay? Now, listen what it was. Obviously, this session is not for beginners, a disclaimer. You are given two arrays A and B, the size of both of them is n. You have to find how many pairs I comma j exist such that ai minus aj plus c equal to bi minus bj plus d. Okay. Also, it was given that I is should be strictly less than j. Okay, this was given in the problem that I should be strictly less than j and ai minus aj plus c should be equal to bi minus bj plus d, and the constraints you can see that all of them are in the range 1 to 10 raised to 5. Okay, so guys, what can we do to solve this problem? Use your own mind. They are giving us this inequality, right? This is your array A, this is your array A, right? This is your array A, this is your array B. You want to find all the pairs such that ai minus aj. If you pick up any pair I here and any number j here, then ai minus aj plus some quantity should be equal to bi minus bj plus d, and this is c, I think, right? That's all they have. Ai minus aj plus c equal to bi minus bj plus d. That's all they have given to us, guys. Think about the first solution which is coming in your mind. Write in the chat, guys. What is the first solution which is coming in your mind by looking at this? Obviously, you have to find the number of pairs, right? You can run two nested for loops, brute force. You can do a simple brute force. You can run your I from index 1 to n of array A. Okay. You can run your index j from index 1 to end of array B. And if it is satisfying this condition, if ai minus aj plus c is equal to bi minus bj plus d, you will do count plus plus count equal to count plus 1. A valid pair has been formed. Clear, guys? Clear? Yeah, Vinith is saying try every I and J. Everyone is saying try every I and J. Okay. So let's try it. Yes, Mudit, let's try. Let's try. So guys, I everyone write yes in the chat if they understood the question. If anyone has any doubt in the question, ask me now only. Only then I will go ahead. You are given two array A and B. For array A, you have to use a pointer I. For array B, you have to use the pointer by J. Okay, for the index. Find the number of pairs I comma J. Find the number of pairs I comma J. I think I less than J does not matter. So let's remove that constraint. Find the number of pairs, guys, I comma j such that ai minus aj plus c is equal to bi minus bj plus d. Is that much clear to everyone, guys? Okay, so guys, what is the easy solution for this? We can do a simple brute force, right? So let's try to do that. Let's try to do that. Guys, right, tell me how will I write the logic for the brute force code? That is very easy, by the way. It is very easy. And let's try to get it done quickly. We don't have much time now. So if I cut everything like this, see, and I'm taking the input size of both the arrays, c, the value, d, the value. First array I'm using one based indexing because in the Google interviewer themselves told that they are using one based indexing. I can be from 1 to n, j can also be from 1 to n. So so what else is going to happen, guys? Write in the chat. B also one based indexing. Okay, nice. Now I have to run two nested for loops, right? For if my I is going from 1 till n and I plus plus, this is my array A, right? This is my array A, right? It's going from index 1 till index n. Okay, this is my I. Okay, first I is 1, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Array B starting with index j equal to 1 and going till n. This is my bj, b1, b2, b3, b3, b4. Like this I will be taking all the pairs possibility. Okay, first my I will be 1 and j will be 1, then I will be 1, then j will be 2. Like this I will try to bond every pair like this. Okay, a of 1, b of 1, a of 1, b of 2, a of 1, b of 3, like this. Then I will take all the pairs with first element as a of 2, then the pairs with first element as a of 3. Like this I will try to make all the pairs by running two nested for loops. Okay, so I hope this much basics are clear to you people, right? Everyone write clear, clear, clear in the chat so I can quickly go ahead, guys. I don't have much time. Be quick. Yeah, no, no, I cannot skip it because I don't know what kind of beginners might have joined. So for j equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. Guys, you have picked up array A index also, array B index also. So condition is what? If ai minus aj plus c is equal to this, then we have found a valid pair. If ai plus aj plus c is equal to bi, let me check, am I writing it correctly or not? अच्छा माइनस है क्या? ठीक है. ai minus aj plus c is equal to bi plus bi minus bj plus d. If this is the case, then guys what will I do? Count equal to count plus 1. Okay, guys, see, if this condition is satisfied, it means I comma j is a valid pair, is valid pair. And I print the count. Everyone write clear, clear in the chat if they understood everything about my algorithm and my solution. I hope there is no problem, no doubt. Guys, I hope there is no doubt. Okay, so brute force solution. Let's directly jump to the brute force solution. Time complexity, it's very easy, man. N square. Space complexity takes O of 1 size space, because you're not using anything extra. I think these basic illustrations, j should be I plus 1. No, 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 no. That was by mistakenly written. I have removed that condition now. Okay. No such condition. Obviously, there should be no such condition because हर बंदे को हर बंदे के साथ setting करनी है ना अपनी. There is no condition of I less than j. Here the I is going to travel the whole array A and here the j is going to travel the whole array B. Clear, guys? Guys, you need to write clear, clear, clear in the chat. Yes, Shaunak, many things can be done. बाय द वे, ये जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं ना, दिस इज नॉट इवन द रियल क्वेश्चन. रियल क्वेश्चन देखोगे तो तुम्हारा सब ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. सो स्टिल आई हैव नॉट showed you the real question. Okay, this is just the prerequisites going on, trailer going on. Actual movie will come later on. Okay, this is just the prerequisite question, not the real question. तो खुश मत हो इसको देख के. इसके आगे भी कुछ पूछा था, वो जो नहीं कर पाया उसको फिर जॉब नहीं मिली. सो वी विल लिसन अबाउट, विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. So we get the job for sure. So guys, n squared solution clear? Okay. Guys, many times in the hashing course I have taught how to solve the problems when the number of pairs are asked. Always try to make a relation from I to j. Always try to make a relation from I to j. Everyone write in the chat, this thing in the chat. Try to make a relation from I to j. If you make a proper relation from I to j, basically it means on the left hand side all the I terms should be there, and on the right hand side all the j terms should be there. Then it will give you the clarity. What kind of equality do you need? If it is something special, you can store these things in a hash map and use them when needed. That's why always make a good relation from I to j. Left hand keywords I and right hand keywords should be j. Clear? Yes or no, guys? Relation between I to j, rearrange and left I, right j. This is the norm. मैंने हजारों बार हैशिंग कोर्स में ये सिखाया, याद करो. Whenever you're dealing with sub-array problem or something, consider it as j and think what's happening for 1 to I here. Have I taught this or not, guys? Write yes or no in the chat in the hashing course. I must have taught many times, zillion times. Yeah. So now let's rearrange the terms. Some people were saying rearrange. Yes, you guys are correct. Yes, Shubham. Yes, Chinmay. You guys are correct. Atlassian OA question. Okay, even I don't remember. So, guys, how will your formula look like? Mathematics. Mathematics. AI minus AJ plus which number do I need to do? Plus C equal to BI minus BJ plus D. This, if I rearrange, it will look like AI minus BI equal to AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. D minus C is a constant number. This is a constant. D and C is given in the input. So guys, do you see the relation? Do you see the relation, guys? Write yes or no in the chat, guys. Can you see the relation? Can you see the relation? If I want to explain this relation to you in an easy language, what will I say? That whenever you are at index J, whenever you are at index J, just calculate, just calculate AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. Calculate this value. Calculate this right hand side term. Now, 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 just check. Just check. If you are, let's say you calculated the RHS. Now, all you need to know is how many AI minus BI exist in the first array. You only need to know the frequency of AI minus BI in the first array. You need to know the frequency of AI minus BI in the first array. Okay? Clear? Clear? You need to know the frequency of AI minus BI. How many times AI minus BI? Like, let's say you can say like this. How many times, if you consider these indices, and yes, guys, there should be the condition I less than J. Okay, let me write it here. I less than J. You guys were correct after all. I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and I think I should write J equal to I plus 1, right? Thank you, guys. This condition is important, and let's keep that condition with us. Okay, let's keep I less than J for now. If we make random ij, then the problem will become very easy to solve. So to keep it difficult, I have made it I less than J. Okay, and actually it was I less than J only. I myself forgot a little bit. Anyways, guys, I is going from 1 to n, but the J you always start from I plus 1 till n, like this. Okay, everyone write yes in the chat if this is clear to them. Guys, quick. We don't have much time. Quick, guys, quick. Okay, nice. So Mudit and Vinit Tekwani were two of my brilliant students. You can see on the right hand side I have written AJ minus BJ plus D minus C, right? AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. आप चाहते हो कि जितने भी आगे इंडेक्स आ रहे हैं ना, उनके जो भी ए आई माइनस बी आई है ना, उनकी वैल्यू इससे इक्विवेलेंट होनी चाहिए. सो इफ यू हैव स्टोर्ड द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ ए आई माइनस बी आई, योर जॉब इज डन. आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू विद अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. ओके, लेट्स से योर डी इज 0, योर सी इज ऑल्सो 0. ठीक है, दिस इज योर एरे ए, दिस इज योर एरे बी. Let's say you are at index j, guys. Okay, this is your index j. LHS should be equal to RHS. Guys, what will be the RHS? Everyone, right? RHS will be AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. D minus C is 0, 0, 0. So 8 minus 5, 3. Guys, what is the right hand side value at J, at this J? 8 minus 5 is 3. Everyone write 3 in the chat. Everyone start writing 3 in the chat, guys. It is a power packed session. It is going to teach you segment tree, hashing, observation, mathematics, everything. Only the lucky people will get all these things now. 8 minus 5, 3. So guys, आपको क्या चाहिए? You want to know, you will marry only that girl whose value is 3. So there are, guys, these I indices possible. Why? These all are the possible I indices. They, why? Because I should be less than j लिखा हुआ है ना क्वेश्चन में, I should be less than j. So what can be the possible i's? I am showing you 5, 8, 13, 3, 10, 7, 2, 8. Guys, tell me, with which indices will this j bond? ये j किसके साथ वैलिड पेयर बनाएगा? ये j एक तो इसके साथ वैलिड पेयर बनाएगा 10, 7 क्यों? क्योंकि इसका LHS भी 3 आ रहा है, AI माइनस BI इज 3, एंड इसके साथ वैलिड पेयर बनाएगा 13 - 3 इज, अच्छा इसके साथ नहीं बनाएगा, ओके. It will make a valid pair only with 10, 7. So one valid pair is possible. So for each index j, you can easily find out how many valid guys are there on the left hand side if you store the left hand side differences in a hash map. Got my point, guys? Got my point clear? Guys, yeah, everyone write CLR, CLR, CLR in the chat. If these many things are clear to them, they are not new to this, right? You guys understand these things, right? Is there anyone who did not understand? Let me know. क्या कर रहा हूँ बता देता हूँ. जे पर हूँ मैंने कुछ बड़ा काम नहीं किया यहाँ पर. ए जे माइनस बी जे प्लस डी माइनस सी को मैंने कैलकुलेट किया, फिर मैं चेक कर रहा हूँ आगे वाले कितने बंदे हैं जिनका ए आई माइनस बी आई मेरे साथ मैच हो रहा है. मैच हो रहा है वो वाले सारे पेयर्स वैलिड होंगे आई कॉमा जे. बन गया आई से जे का रिलेशन. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू गाइस? क्लियर? So guys, if I want to write the code, what will I do? First, you remove the j loop completely, okay? Now guys, listen to me carefully. What is the RHS? What is the RHS, guys? AJ minus BJ, this value, plus D minus C. Okay, nice. AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. Okay, okay. Now, what you want to do? We need to know how many guys have AI minus BI equal to RHS in the range 1 to j minus 1. अरे यही चाहते हो ना? Everyone write yes in the chat. If you know that the RHS, if you know at the RHS this is the value, now you just want to know how many guys from 1 to j minus 1 have the same value as RHS. How many guys have the difference equal to RHS? Why? Because it was written here. AI minus BI should be equal to AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. ये तो मैंने कैलकुलेट कर लिया J पे. I क्या हो सकता है? अगर ये मेरा करंट इंडेक्स J है तो I सिर्फ 1 से लेके J minus 1 में ही एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है. लिखा हुआ है I less than J, आगे जाके पढ़ लो. So you first calculate the RHS. Now you have to search how many guys have AI minus BI equal to RHS in the range 1 to J minus 1. One simple option is run the for loop again, but that is not efficient. What you can do? You can use the hash map and store the frequency of AI minus BI till that particular point. So guys, lovely people, what you are gonna do? Count equal to count plus hash map of RHS. Hash map of RHS. Hash map of RHS tells you how many times, how many guys have AI minus B of I equal to RHS in the range 1 to J minus 1. Okay. Okay, nice. Awesome. But guys, you know, you have to declare a hash map. So let me write hash map int comma int. Okay, int comma int. Okay, I'm not declaring it with any name, just writing the pseudocode for now. So we have a hash map. Now guys, you need to update also, right? How will you update the hash map, guys? Once your job is done, तुम जे पर थे, तुमने जे पर आरएचएस निकाल लिया, तुमको ये भी पता है कि वन से लेके, यू नो दैट फ्रॉम वन टू जे माइनस वन, दिस आरएचएस is coming for hash map of RHS number of times, right? But guys, once you are done with this index, you need to store. Here also the value was AJ minus BJ, right? So you need to store in the hash map. Hash map of AJ minus BJ plus plus. You need to store this in the hash map. Increase the frequency. Clear, guys? Clear? Guys, no, 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 no. Everyone needs to write clear. Saikat, you also, Shankar, Aditya, Ashwani, Abhimanyu, Grishma. Doubt है तो पूछो, शर्माओ मत. Okay. So you guys understand that ये right में डाला, वो left में डाला, store कर दिया. Okay. So hash map of AJ minus BJ, क्योंकि ये वैल्यू हमको चाहिए ना फ्यूचर में, इज इक्वल टू प्लस प्लस. That's it. And guys, you print the count. So guys, in O of n time complexity, you solve the problem. Okay. If you want a live demo, I will show you a demo also. Okay. Let's say this is your array A, this is your array B. Okay. Guys, until the feelings are clear, na, I will keep explaining you again and again till the eternity. Okay. So guys, when you are at the index number 1, how will your hash map look like? Your hash map will look like, let's say d equal to 0, c equal to 0. Ignore them. Hash map will look like what? 1 minus 2. Okay, let me write here 11. And let me write here 6. Okay. So 11 minus 6 is what? 5. So hash map will show that 5 is coming for one time. On the left, it will be number. On the right, it will be the frequency. When you come here, how will the hash map look like, guys? 5 coming for one time and 50 minus 8, 42 coming for one time. When you come here, guys, before putting this quantity in the hash map, you calculate the RHS. Let's say this is a J. You must have calculated RHS here also, but let's consider the RHS for this index. Your J is equal to 3. What will be the RHS, guys? AJ minus BJ plus D minus Z, which is what? 42. So guys, this J will only make pairs with the numbers whose own value is 42. How many guys are having 42 value? Only one guy is having 42 value. So one pair is found. Like this, we are finding the pairs. Guys, everyone write understood in the chat if they understood this problem and everything. There is no doubt. If there is any doubt, ask me. Saikat, where are you? Be active, Saikat. Okay, you guys understood this. Guys, uh, tell me the time and space complexity for this fast. And Shivachalan, you also. Karan Rana, you also. And guys, be ready to make the LinkedIn post this time, okay? I'll be featuring it. So that's it. So guys, time complexity O of n, right? Only one for loop I am running. Space complexity takes O of n space. So this much is clear to my lovely students, okay? Clear, right? Yeah. No. I'm using a normal hash map. I'm using a normal hash map. So the thing is that I'm using normal hash map, right? So this line number 15 is a O of 1 operation on average, okay? And in worst case, also there will only be n elements in the hash map, because you are calculating the difference at n stages and putting that in the hash map, right? So O of n space for that. I am not taking the space for array A and B because that is already given in the question. Okay. Yeah, congratulations to student Sheenam. She cracked off-campus offer from Flipkart as a 24 CS grad. So congratulations. She has been training very hard since 10 months, last 10 months. Now, guys, this much is clear to you. Now, guys, till now, Bhaiya, here the count of such possible pair is the required answer, right? Yes, Akshay, we want the count of I comma j. Okay. So, guys, now starts the real deal. Now I will show you the real question which was asked in the Google interview. Right? Yes, in the chat. ये जितना मैंने अभी किया ना, ये सब उसका prerequisite था. ये सब नहीं करते तो वो क्वेश्चन हो ही नहीं पाता. Ready, guys? Now ready for the real question. So guys, दिल थाम के बैठ जाइए, अपना चेयर टाइटली पकड़ लीजिए. So now the real question is gonna come, and it will not be. It will be very pleasant. Okay, very pleasant to the eyes. Real question is coming. Okay, real question is coming. Okay, real question is coming. Let's call it as a follow up. I hope you guys are excited for the real question. You are going to learn a lot now. A real question is, find the number of pairs AI minus AJ plus C less than equal to. अब आपका गेम बच गया जी. ओके. AI minus AJ plus C less than equal to BI minus BJ plus D. Now, guys, because we know everything, now we will directly get towards the solution. Okay, let's directly get towards the solution without wasting much time. Right? Excited in the chat. Fast, fast, fast. अब ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को समझिए. कुछ चेंज नहीं हुआ, यहाँ पर लेस देन इक्वल टू डाल दिया है, तो क्या करेंगे? Only one less than equal to sign is there. So, guys, what was the old formula? Guys, what was the old formula? Rearranging the terms. You guys forgot, na? Wait, let me write here. Rearranging, rearranging terms. Guys, you need to tell me the old special formula after rearranging terms. Using hash map, it can be optimized. Guys, so rearranging the terms, how does it look like? Right in the chat. Don't be lazy. Yeah. Sakalya Mitra, it is incorrect. Plus कौन लिखेगा Sakalya? Vishwa is a good student. Great job, Vishwa. Great. Yeah. And Saikart, तुम हमेशा गायब रहते हो. Chat में लिखा करो. Yes, Saurabh Rai and Prem Kumar, you also be active. And that Abhimanyu guy. And Aditya Das, what are you doing? Shankar, be active. Okay. So now, guys, rearranging the terms. I love DSA coding because I am very lucky person. I get to teach this daily. Only problematic thing in the program is mentoring. Rest all is super easy for me. Trust me. Mentoring is very difficult job. Rest all is easy. Anyways, going back to the question. AI minus, अरे यार हाँ सही लिखा है, AI minus BI equal to AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. So guys, here also you tell me how will it look like after rearranging. Same to same. So guys, what do we need to find out at a particular index J? That you guys have to tell me. Okay, let's say we are at index J. We are at index J. We calculate RHS. We calculate RHS. What is the RHS, guys? AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. AJ minus bj plus d minus c. Okay, clear, 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 clear. Everyone write CLR, CLR, CLR in the chat. Guys, I'm going to show you something you need to imagine. Einstein also said imagination is very important. Guys, you are at index J, you calculate the RHS. AJ minus BJ plus D minus C. And guys, then you forget it. भूल जाओ इसे. भूल जाओ उसकी यादों को. Forget her. You have now calculated RHS. Now I will call it as RHS. मैं बार बार इतना लंबा चौड़ा नहीं बोलूंगा. AJ minus BJ D minus C. नहीं. Guys, from now on at index J, what is the value? Everyone write in the chat. We will not speak the large value again and again. It is time consuming. आज से बताइए आप जे पर हो तो आपके पास कौन सा वैल्यू है? आर एच एस, आर एच एस, आर एच एस, आर एच एस. क्लियर? इट इज आर एच एस, आर एच एस, आर एच एस, आर एच एस, आर एच एस. अब ये किसके साथ पैर बनाएगा? इट विल मेक पैर ओनली विद द गाइज फ्रॉम इंडेक्स 1 to j minus 1 whose value is less than equal to RHS. Aha, yes. You found the meaning. Now, the pairing with I can happen only in the range from index 1 to j minus 1. The guys which have their value of AI minus BI less than equal to RHS. So guys, what does the problem boils down to? The problem boils down to something very interesting. Given an array, given an array, given an array, given an array and a prefix, find the count of numbers which are less than equal to RHS. It RHS can be any value. RHS can be any value. Let's assume it to be G. Let's assume it to be G. मतलब आप समझ रहे हो आपको क्या चाहिए? Instantly you want to know how many numbers are less than equal to RHS in that range. Yeah. Yes, we have to traverse. Yes, Sagar. And if you travel the hash map, तो तुम्हारा टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इतना बढ़ जाएगा कि गूगल का इंटरव्यूअर तुम पे हंसेगा. फिर से एन एलिमेंट को ट्रेवर्स कर रहे हो. नो अनुष्का, इवन दैट इज नॉट इनफ हियर. बिकॉज एवरी टाइम अ न्यू एलिमेंट इज गेटिंग एडेड. तुम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि पूरा कर लो. या PBDS you can do, but you know Google interviewer said don't use any external library. So now you will be using segment tree. Everyone write segment tree in the chat. Fast guys, fast. और आधे लोग को आता है बट उनको सेगमेंट ट्री कोड नहीं लिख पाते, इंटरव्यू में फेल हो गए. सो या, सो नाउ गाइस लिसन टू मी केयरफुली, टेंशन मत लो. अब आपको क्या चाहिए उसकी बात करते हैं. क्या चाहिए मुझे, मैं बताता हूँ. आई एम एट इंडेक्स जे. ओके मुदित, ओके विनीत टिकवानी. I calculate RHS. Now in very less time complexity, I want to know, preferably in O of 1, I want to know how many numbers from 1 to j minus 1, how many numbers from 1 to j minus 1 are less than equal to RHS. That's all I want to know. That's all I want to know. So let's do something interesting now. Okay, let's do something interesting. Let's do something very interesting here. Okay, clear? Yeah. But guys, you again made the meeting quantity 69. Congratulations. वही काम आपको अच्छे से करना आता है. बाकी कभी ज्यादा लोग तो आते हुए देखे नहीं, बट 69 जल्दी हो जाएगा. वेरी गुड. अब देखना वो चेंज भी नहीं होगा, उतना ही रहेगा. अब जिसको नहीं पढ़ना है वो भी रहेगा मीटिंग में. वेरी गुड. नाउ गाइस, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अ ट्रिक. बस ट्रिक देखना शांति से, फिर गेम डन. So guys, the trick is that this is array A, this is array B. Okay, G. This is a temporary array. Like its size can be very big. Everyone tell me. Everyone tell in the chat promise. अभी भी 69 ही है. Everyone tell in the chat promise. If they promise that now they will listen very carefully and they will not get distracted because now I will discuss important stuff. So guys, array A, array B. So now let's start the enjoyment. Array A is like this, okay? 8, 5, 10, 2, 12, 10, 6, 3. Guys, for each purpose, now let's take C0, D0. Okay, G, okay. Guys, whatever the difference is, now what is the difference of this? Can anyone tell me? What is the difference of this? 8 minus 5? 3, right? So in the temp array, I will write temp of 3, 1 means the frequency of the difference I have stored here. Okay. Guys, what is 10 minus 2? 8. So temp of 8 equal to 1. What is 12 minus 10? 2. So temp of 2, 1 I have written here. Okay. Guys, अब समझो आपका ये J है. आपका ये J है guys, आपका ये J. This is your J. This is your J. Okay. Temp of I. एवरीवन राइट यस इन द चैट इफ दे अग्री दैट एनी टाइम टेम्प ऑफ जी आपको ये बताएगा कि ये जो जी है ना, ये अब मैं पहले हैश मैप यूज कर रहा था, अब मैं एक एरे यूज कर रहा हूँ, सिंपल सा एरे यूज कर रहा हूँ. वो ये बता रहा है कि ये जी कितनी बार आया है 1 से लेके J-1 में. समझ रहे हो ना? या यस शौनक, दिस वॉज द ट्रिक. सो 8 minus 5, I know no one is teaching this, advanced segmentary tricks. I am teaching you, so use it. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 is coming one time. 10 minus 2, 8 is coming one time. 12 minus 10, 12 minus 10 kya hai? 2. 2 is coming one time. Guys. Your J is this guy. Guys, tell me what is the RHS? Guys, what is the RHS, guys? Tell me. What is the RHS? 3 है. RHS 3. अब तुमको क्या चाहिए? I want to know from index 1 to J-1 how many guys are less than equal to 3. Guys, कितने लोग हैं 3 या 3 से छोटे? देखो 0 से 3 देखिए. ये टेम्प एरे में लिखा हुआ है, दिख रहा है आपको? एक ये और एक ये. If you are at index J, calculate RHS. Now answer is answer plus answer is answer answer is what? Count is what? Number of elements less than equal to RHS in 1 to j minus 1. वो बंदे कौन है? वो बंदे कौन है? That is nothing but temp of 0 plus temp of 1 plus 1 कितनी बार आया, 0 कितनी बार आया, 2 कितनी बार आया, temp of 2 plus temp of RHS. अरे तुमको यही तो जानना था ना, कितने बंदे हैं जो RHS या उससे छोटे हैं, तो ऐड कर लो, कितने बंदे 0 है, कितने बंदे 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, डील RHS आ गया सबका सम. Temp of 0 0, temp of 1 0, temp of 2 1, temp of 3 1. If you add them, how many guys you get? 2 guys. 2 guys. 2 guys. It means it can make 2 pairs. This one pair will be with I think this guy, and one pair will be with this 12, 10. So guys, see, the brilliant problem has been solved. We solved the problem. We have solved the problem, guys. What is the problem has been solved? Oh my god. Google job 80 lakh CTC. All you had to do is your index J, calculate your RHS. Okay, calculate your RHS. Right hand side. नाउ गाइस, एक झटके में जे निकाल लोगे. अब तुमको यही जानना है ना कितने बंदे हैं जो लेस देन इक्वल टू आरएचएस है लेफ्ट साइड में. दैट इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? टेम्प ऑफ 0. उसमें स्टोर्ड है 0 कितने है, 1 कितने, 2 कितने, डिल आरएचएस. यू नीड टू फाइंड दिस वैल्यू. दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट? Sum of the temp array from index 0 to RHS can be done using segment tree. सेगमेंट ट्री यूज कीजिए और एक झटके में आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि इसका इतने रेंज का सम क्या है. Write brilliant in the chat if you can see the brilliancy here. Okay, this is a brilliant stuff going on. You are using a third temporary array, on that you are building a segment tree. Okay, so you just want the sum of the numbers from 0 to RHS, right? Because from 0 to RHS is telling how many times these numbers came. If you know their sum, you know how many guys are less than equal to RHS. Clear guys? गौरव कुमार बोल रहे सर, इस पे सेगमेंट ट्री क्यों बना रहे हो? इस पे प्रीफिक्स एरे बना दो ना, जो एक झटके में बता देगा कि कितना सम है. सो इनोसेंट, गौरव इज सो इनोसेंट. गौरव को लग रहा है कि टेम्प एरे जिंदगी भर सेम रहेगा. गाइस, डू यू थिंक टेम्प एरे इज गोना स्टे द सेम ऑल द टाइम? टेम्प एरे गौरव, इट विल चेंज एट एवरी इंडेक्स. बार बार चेंज होगा, फिर तो हमारी लग जाएगी. अगर बार बार नंबर चेंज होगा तो बार बार प्रीफिक्स सम भी तो बदल जाएगा. बार बार थोड़ी ना कैलकुलेट करेंगे. We need a efficient solution. Whenever I ask see, in my question, what will be my query, guys? My query will be 0 comma index comma RHS. मुझे इंस्टेंटली जानना है कि भाई 0 से लेके इंडेक्स तक, मतलब वेट, my query will be 0 comma RHS. I instantly want to know the sum of the values from index 0 to RHS. But the thing is, these values are changing at every index. At every index, I am getting some AI minus BI and I am updating its frequency, right? So I am updating also. बार बार चेंज भी तो हो रहा है. चलो अभी के लिए मैं मान लेता हूँ गौरव ये इतना है, पर अब जब when you consider this 6 and 3, what will happen? Guys, Gaurav, right? Tell me in the chat, Gaurav. Please tell me in the chat, Gaurav. जब 6 और 3 है तो क्या होगा? नहीं, तुम भी बोलो, दुर्गा वारा प्रसाद बंदी, लिखो चैट में. 6 और 3 आ रहा तो क्या होगा डिफरेंस? 3 है ना. तो टेम्प ऑफ 3 को मैं यहाँ पर अपडेट करके 2 कर दूंगा, चेंज हो गया. इट्स चेंजिंग ऑल द टाइम. Got my point? Got my point? So guys, now let's write the code now. Okay, let's start writing the code. So guys, how to do the coding? I don't know how to do the coding. I forgot the coding. You have to teach me. Okay. So now, see, I have written the algorithm here. Guys, first of all, everyone write a clear in the chat if they at least understood the basic algorithm. Sir, how do we know that the temp values from 0 to 3? अक्षय कुमार जी का बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आया है. वो अभी आजकल मूवी कम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरे सेशन में आ रहे हैं. देखो गाइस, अक्षय ने कुछ लिखा, उसका जवाब देना जरा. Akshay is saying, how do we know that the temp value from 0 to 3 is I to j minus 1? अच्छा अक्षय, एक बात बताना. हाय अक्षय कुमार, लिसन टू मी. कहाँ गया? हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए पूरा रबर लगा के इधर साफ करना पड़ता है. एनीवेज, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो नाउ नाउ गाइज, एवरीवन लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. नहीं तो छोड़ूंगा नहीं आप लोग को. ध्यान से सुनिए. ओके, टॉकिंग टू यू नाइसली, but internally you know na what I'm feeling. Yeah, so understand that and understand quickly. So now guys, I know, no, देखो कोई आपको जिंदगी में 2-3 घंटे के लिए सेगमेंट्री नहीं पढ़ाएगा. ये सिर्फ मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आपके अंदर इंटरेस्ट है, बाकी लोग को नहीं है. सो प्लीज फोकस हियर. ओके, फोकस. सो नाउ टेम्पेरे. I will show how it is guaranteed that temp array only has the details till j minus 1 index. Guys, तुम ही बताओ. At the first point, what will happen? Everyone write in the chat. Everyone write in the chat, guys. What will happen at the first point? Everyone write in the chat. Fast, 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 fast. Temp 3 equal to 1. अब जब मैं इधर आ रहा हूं, now I am coming at index number 2. Do you guys, everyone agrees that now the temp array has the details of all the index till index 1. जब मैं 2 इंडेक्स पर हूं तो temp array के अंदर फर्स्ट इंडेक्स का डेटा है. मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो? Do you guys agree that when you are at index I or index j, temp array has all the data from 1 to j minus 1. 10वीं 12वीं सबका रिपोर्ट कार्ड इसमें पड़ा हुआ है. अभी अभी तो वहां से आए थे. दिखती बात है, कॉमन सेंस. समझे अक्षय? Yeah. Anyways, now guys, when you come at index 2, what will you do? 10 minus 2, 8. So temp of 8 equal to 1. Guys, अब आप ही बताओ. When I am coming at index 3, do you guys agree that we already have the data from index 1 to 2 in temp array? Do you guys agree? जब मैं इंडेक्स 3 पर आ रहा हूं तो 1 से लेके 2 का माल टेम्प में डाला हुआ है ऑलरेडी. तो गाइस जनरल सिनेरियो लो ना, जनरल सिनेरियो लीजिए. When you are at index j, you have calculated the RHS. Do you guys agree that the temp array has the data from 1 to j minus 1 already? अरे दिखती बात है, पीछे टाइम पास थोड़ी ना कर रहा था. इनके डिफरेंस मैंने पुट तो किए अंदर. अभी समझे? Do you guys now agree that whenever you are at j, all the data from 1 to j minus 1 is in the temp array? You don't need to worry. Clear? पूरी पावर लगा. हाउ विल वी डिसाइड द मीन एंड मैक्स? अमन, उसके लिए क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना पड़ता है. क्वेश्चन जो दिया है उसको ऐसा खोल के पढ़ना पड़ता है. अमन देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है. पहली बात तो क्वेश्चन में लिखा है, इट इज रिटन दैट AI विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू BI, राइट? तो वर्स्ट केस में क्या होगा? दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे ना, तो 0 हो जाएगा टेम्प एरे. और बेस्ट केस में क्या हो सकता है? दिखती बात है यार, दोनों 10⁵ तक है, तो फिर अब I agree 10⁵, 10 चलो प्लस भी कर लो, बहुत मजे आ रहे. 10⁵, 10⁵, C और D को भी प्लस कर लो, जो होने नहीं वाला. It will not be more than 4 into 10⁵. Like it will be, I think, at max 2 into 10⁵. You try to make any kind of formula, AI minus BI can never go more than equal to 10⁵. So temp array should be of size 10⁵. Clear, Aman? Clear, Aman? Yeah. So guys, everyone write clear in the chat ताकि अब मैं जाके कोड लिखूं. अब तो सबको समझ आ गया ना? So guys, what is the solution? Solution, guys, I'm writing the code. See, whenever I'm at index j, what I will do? I'll calculate the RHS. Okay. So मैं j पे आया, मैंने RHS निकाल लिया. Count is what? Count is nothing but yeah. ये तो मैं temp array में डालूंगा, ठीक है? Temp. Count is nothing but what? Sum of temp values. Sum of array temp from 0 to RHS. पहले टेम्प एरे क्या था? एम्प्टी था. टेम्प 1 2 3 4 5. I made a very big temp array of size 2 into 10⁵. Okay. So guys, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखिए. 1 2 3 4 5. Now guys, see, लवली स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे ही वैल्यू आ गई इसको मैंने डाल दिया, इंक्रीमेंट कर लिया और काउंट है मुझे क्या चाहिए था, आई वांट द सम फ्रॉम इंडेक्स 0 टू RHS. ओके guys, finding the sum of the temp array from index 0 to RHS, I am going to use a segment tree for this. Okay, so guys, I will be building a segment tree. Okay, initially all the values are 0, so I will be building a segment tree of size 0. Okay, everyone write segment tree, segment tree, segment tree in the chat if they understand that their Kumar Kesar is going to make a segment tree on the temp array. Now बना रहा हूँ, रेडी रहना, ठीक है. So many selections daily non-stop selections. Anyways, so guys, this is the prerequisite, this document is required, I will be giving it to you in some time. So guys, first I will be writing the build function. This is the build function, it will make your segment tree, right? So I'm just writing the pseudo course, I'm not implementing the actual segment tree. Guys, what will I be building? Node of the segment tree 1. Okay, node of the segment tree is 1, and yeah, the first index and the last index. So first index of our temp array is 0, last index is something like this. Okay, so guys, segment tree builded, segment tree ban gaya, segment tree ban gaya. Everyone, वन बेस्ड इंडेक्सिंग ए और बी का है, टेम्प एरे में तो जीरो आ सकता है ना, ए जे माइनस बी जे जीरो हो सकता है ना ऋतिक जी, समझिए भावनाओं को समझिए. Yeah. So guys, everyone write in the chat segmentary built, segmentary built, segmentary built. अगर उनको पता चलेगा सेगमेंट्री बना दिया, भैया ने जीरो वाले एरे का पूरा सेगमेंट्री बना दिया, डाल दिया उसको उसके अंदर, डन. या आई विल बी सेंडिंग द टेम्प एरे आल्सो इन द फंक्शन. ओके, बन गया सेगमेंट्री. सेगमेंट्री इज ओनली हैविंग जीरो वैल्यू बिकॉज ऑल द वैल्यूज इन द टेम्प एरे आर जीरो. क्लियर? अब गाइस क्या करेंगे, हमको तो सम चाहिए, क्वेरी फंक्शन. यू वांट द सम फ्रॉम व्हाट, 0 to RHS, right? So query, what will you query guys? सम चाहिए मुझे. So query function will look like this. एक झटके में मुझे कल ही पढ़ाया था. Query will show you node 1 start and LR. Okay, node 1 starts at 0, ends at this value, and in which range we want the sum, जो actual range है 0 से RHS, 0 to RHS. That's it guys. Now we need to do the update, we need to update, we need to update, we need to update. This is the update functionality, right? We want that the value is what, AJ, value is AJ minus BJ. I want that AJ minus BJ increments by 1 in the temp array. Okay, congratulations. Okay, so guys, अब बताइए लाइन नंबर 15 में मैं अपडेट फंक्शन कैसे लिखूंगा. हाउ विल आई राइट द अपडेट फंक्शन? If you want to update b of I equal to y, you can write it like this: node start and index and value, node start update, node start 0 and 1 2 3, पूरा टेम्पर इतना बड़ा है. कौन से इंडेक्स को अपडेट करना है गाइस, सब लोग लिखिए, किसको अपडेट करना है? एजे माइनस बीजे, ये जो वैल्यू है ये वाले इंडेक्स को अपडेट करना है. क्या ऐड करना है? वी हैव टू ऐड अ 1 यार, राइट? बट ऐसे डायरेक्ट अपडेट नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन विद द सेगमेंट ट्री यू कैन जस्ट डू बी ऑफ आई इक्वल टू वाई. तो तुमको एडवांस में पहले वाई ढूंढना पड़ेगा. गाइस वाई क्या होगा, वाई क्या होगा तुम ही सोचो. y will be the value at this position, प्लस 1 डालना है, समझे? So what is the value at this position? You want to know the value at the position aj minus bj, aj minus bj. ये एक इंडेक्स का वैल्यू निकालने में भी इतना टाइम लग जाता है. गॉट इट? क्लियर? बट यू डोंट नीड टू वरी दैट मच बिकॉज आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द अपडेट ना, एक झटके में आपको पता चल जाएगा कि टेम्प ऑफ एजे माइनस बीजे की वैल्यू क्या है. ओके, because you will be updating the temp array also along with the segment tree. So guys, line number 14 सबको समझ आ गया? yes लिखो. In line number 14 first I am finding the old value of temp of aj minus bj. अब इसको एक से बढ़ाना है ना. So 1 the whole array aj minus bj, increase it by 1. So I will write here replace it by y plus 1. पहले उसकी वैल्यू y थी, अब मैंने उसमें y plus 1 डाल दिया. Congratulations guys, you have become advanced person in solving segment tree problem. Guys, nothing else is going on. जो यहाँ पर लिखा था ना, यहाँ से यहाँ का sum निकालो, वही sum I have found it here using this query function. It is finding the sum from 0 to RHS. Here you wanted to increment the frequency by 1 of this index, right? So for this index, I am replacing the answer of y by y plus 1. Clear? Clear to all of you? Guys, write success in the chat if everything is clear and you understood everything. This is going to take log n time. This is also taking log n time. 2 log n time. 2 into n log n is the time complexity. Ignore the n. Ignore the 2n, guys. You have solved it with a brilliant problem, SG3 problem of segment tree, and congratulations. Okay, so now let me write here. You must have done the segment tree course as a prerequisite, by the way. And guys, now you understood this basic and nice thing. So let me write here. Time complexity is O of n log n, and takes O of n log n space also. Why it takes on log n space, I explained it in the last time on an average. Okay, so आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जो temp array है वो आप उतनी साइज का डिक्लेयर करो, और जो सेगमेंट ट्री होगा वो हमेशा n into 4 का डिक्लेयर करना, टू बी ऑन अ सेफर साइड. ओके गाइज, अंडरस्टूड? कैट गूगल HD3 ऑफर है. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन प्रेम, ग्रेट जॉब. सर टेम्प एरे भी अपडेट करना होगा ना टू गेट द वाई वैल्यू. टेम्प एरे ऑलरेडी सेगमेंट ट्री में अपडेट होता है. कोर्स किए हो तो पता होगा. ए ऑफ इंड इक्वल टू वैल्यू दिख रहा है लाइन नंबर 6 में अपडेट फंक्शन में. क्लियर सैकाल्य? यू नीड टू बी एक्टिव इन द सेशन टू नो दैट व्हेन यू सेंड द अपडेट फंक्शन उसमें सेगमेंट ट्री और एरे दोनों अपडेट होता है. गाइज राइट yes yes, clear in the chat if everything is clear.